Guys, I'm back with a very special video that I'm really excited to get across to y'all. Got a special sneaker in the house today, guys. I know I be saying that, but I'm really excited about these ones. So we're gonna get through with the box right away. You know, it's an LV box. Really excited to get these across to y'all, man. I'm gonna slide them open. I'm not gonna yap yet. I'm gonna slide them open just to show you guys what is inside. We got these beauties right here. Gosh, they look so good, and I'm so excited to review these for y'all. These are the LV trainers in the black and gray colorway. Really clean colorway. I actually really like these. I feel like they're very much so LV trainers have a lot going on in a good way. There's a lot on them. Like, for example, let me show you these. Usually there's pops of colors. Usually there's blacks, there's white, there's blues, there's greens, there's yellows. But to just have a nice subtle black, gray, and white. But you just have a nice black, gray, white kind of subtle colorway. You cannot go wrong. Look at all the details. We're gonna break these down in a second, guys. But without further ado, hit me up on Instagram at PTYY16. That's the best way to get in touch with me and to see more of these beauties right here. And if you have any questions about the video, any questions, and you guys want to talk to me, let's get into it. All right, guys, let's get into this, man. So I have to fix the lighting up a little bit, but we got this beautiful pair of sneakers right here, guys. LV trainer. Before we get into this shoe, I went with a size 11 US. They fit really nice, really comfortable, really clean shoe, especially for date nights, going out on the town, made it sound like it's medieval, going out on the town, you know, going out with the little family dinners, whatever it is. Very nice shoe that you can dress up and dress down as well too. Follows the signature LV trainer silhouette. RIP Virgil, man. Without further ado, let's get into the up close so I can break these down for y'all. You got that gray blocking right here, which is like a really nice matte gray. The signature white LV logo right there as well too. And then the really interesting thing, guys, if you guys can see right here, the toe box actually has this line of suede that goes all the way around. This is not leather. It's like a suede line. The leather is extremely plush though. If you guys can see right there, when I'm pushing it down, look how much it comes back up. It's extremely plush. One of the softest leathers I've seen on a trainer. On the inside as well too, you got another LV logo and that gray on the inside as well too. So they just emulate each other. The only difference between the inside here and the outside here is that signature right there. You guys can see that LV signature right there, which is really nice. Signature monograms and spades going around, black piping right there. You see the gloss black piping as well too. The center body is that white and black as well. And everything around is beautiful. These laces are very nice and thick too. I've actually really enjoyed the laces. LV logo there. The tongue is a little bit thinner, but very nice as well too, with the stamping of the size and on the inside. The inside has the LV logo in white. And the inside is really nice as well too. I like the inner area matching the outer area. Of course, there's no spades or monograms on the inside here. That only happens on the outside. Now the back with that beautiful signature 54 on the back is beautiful. That shiny gloss black leather. And then we got the 54 with the numero right there too. So I really like these, man. These are a really clean silhouette. Very simplistic, very easy. And another thing, this area right here is like a shiny, almost gray. So it kind of like sparkles a little bit. Not sparkles, but it kind of glistens. This area right here, it's a little bit shiny, which is really cool. I like that touch. Now we're gonna go to the bottom of the shoe. That signature Vuitton on the bottom is so nice. As you guys can see, the big black circle right here, the Vuitton across, and that whole white outer body. Beautiful colorway and beautiful sneaker just in general. Both pairs are the exact same. There's no difference. On the inside of the box, you got those beautiful dust bags and a very simplistic, nice signature LV box. You don't gotta you don't gotta broke what's fixed, but you don't gotta fix what isn't broken. So I love the signature LV boxes that they always have. So what do you guys think of these down below? What do you rate them out of 10? And is it a cop or a drop? I think it's very simplistic, very clean, very just versatile. Black, gray, and white goes with pretty much anything. You can wear these with anything, guys. I've been really wanting to get these in hand. I've seen them around a lot. Without further ado, guys, let's get into up close and on for these beauties. Comment down below if you guys like them, if it's a cop or a drop. Hit me up on Instagram at PTYY16. I love you guys so much. Let's get into it.
change.